Have you guys been playing in the Monopoly game and wondering on how to add context on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add context in the Monopoly Go game. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Monopoly Go app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to add context, simply tap onto Friends, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the contacts option just right here. Now tap on it. Now to add the contacts, simply tap on to add contacts just like this. Then add your mobile number just right here. And don't forget to add your country's code just like this. Then tap on to continue. Now add the verification code just like this and tap on to submit. And now you can see your phone number has been added. Now to add contacts, simply tap on to add friends. Then tap on to continue. And you can simply tap on to allow full access just right here. And after that, the contacts will be added on your Monopoly Go game app. And that's it. This is how you can add contacts in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.